become discriminated in our daily lives. People see us with suspicion and fear sometimes. HIV brings a lot of taboo and superstition along with it. Due to ignorance and lack of awareness, people fight the people with the disease rather than the disease itself. It is in Shanti Ashram we are able to collectively break the silence on HIV and the associated stigma. At Shanti Ashram, we also find some solace and comfort. Monthly support group meetings are held every month for children and their families. Here are a few ways I think the Sudar programs helps me. Together, we provide a safe and secure environment for each other, including children and young people living with HIV. Such support group meetings helps us to meet but also share our concerns. Our guardians, whether parents or grandparents, also have an opportunity to share their stress and feel light. This emotional support for the entire family relieves mental stress and anxiety. Poverty is quite rampant because education and work opportunities are not easy to get for people living with HIV. Shanti Ashram supports our education by giving academic scholarship. From school to higher education, we are supported. I have seen many of my friends from the Sudar group battle the disease, go on to do post-graduation, and now some are working in reputed firms due to the constant support provided by Ashram from their childhood. Shanti Ashram provides us nutritional supplements and food grains as well. Besides scholarships, we are given career guidance, and we also get to interact with children who are from similar background who are pursuing higher education. During this COVID-19 pandemic, many of our guardians lost jobs. In tandem, our schools were closed abruptly. So the services we received at school, including noon meals, were cut off from our lives. The lockdowns prevented us from getting even life-saving ART medicine for the disease. Again, it was Shanti Ashram that provided us with resources to endure during that phase with direct bank cash transfers and critical nutritional support from the food bank. We must mention we are provided nutrition and protein-rich diet supplements. Shanti Ashram is like an extended family for all of us.
We see our parents up close working for the upliftment of their children. They work hard. Some are living with HIV, bedridden, some even with many effects of the disease and ART. They continue to work hard to brighten our lives. They want to provide us children a new tomorrow away from the exploitation and discrimination. In this journey, Sudar and Shanti Ashramam are vital partners. The critical assistance required for health, physical, mental and social dimension of health. Shanti Ashram, we have a safe space to hear each other's concern and expectation. At home, sometimes our parents are busy working, so we don't get time to quite talk. Because of health and development experts led the session, they use creative methodologies to reflect and share. We also have sessions on ethics education and nurturing spirituality. This helps us to understand others better. I think this importance and some addition in capacity building help us to improve the relationship between children and parents. Counseling service is also available, so it helps us to resolve conflicts and move forward. As a family and also a large family of people living with HIV, because of support, we have a change to live up to our dream and lead life with dignity and confidence.
For many of us, the families at Sudar are our family, our true family. Our biological relatives, many of them distanced themselves from us, knowing our status. We don't even get to participate in many family functions. I don't blame them. Ignorance about the disease and the taboos associated are so much. So, Sudar family is everything for most of us. During our monthly support group meetings, we share our pains and enjoy the successes of our brethren. Shanti Ashram provides us that safe environment. It is that one day in a month where we forget all the trials we face and feel liberated, joyous as we feel we aren't alone and we have someone to stand by us. We all look forward for those monthly meetings. We celebrate functions like Diwali, Christmas, we play and have fun. It is a homecoming and a family get together to put it in perspective. Not only in Shanti Ashram, but even outside, we share and care as a family. Sometimes, when one of our brethren from the Sudar family has not received the antiretroviral drugs for some reason, we share the drugs what we have. We are a family in word and spirit. This we want to share with you, that the spirit of being a family can grow beyond relatives linked by blood. It can be built on love, on a sense of solidarity. The human family is a precious family too.
Shanti Ashram has played a big role in our self-sustainability and growth. This discrimination we faced initially made us feel isolated and separate. We never had the belief that we can bring up our children in the mainstream. Shanti Ashram provides us the platform to meet, discuss and share our feelings. We understood that we are not alone. We understood that stigma is man-made and it's not a symptom of disease. We understood that people with HIV is also normal humans and they have a right to live and life with dignity. This helped us to create a positive environment free from guilt and remorses. Concrete service in the area of education, health, nutrition, transformational leadership and peace building further give a frame for us to grow and thrive. Our children have a safe space now to feel happy and feel safe. We are also taught about leadership, skill building and personal hygiene by experts during the support group meetings. We volunteer to and contribute to serve of other children and families. Scholarship for education, without which many of our children already experiencing depression would have ended up either school dropouts and child labours. The monthly health monitoring by a reputed medical institution in the city is also another unique feature. Mental wellness session to take care of their strained mental framework.
To say it in a nutshell, Shanti Ashram has been indispensable in our journey and in the journeys of our children. Shanti Ashram convinces and acts as a bridge, an informed development partner between all the stakeholders to make our lives better. A big thank you to you from the depths of our heart.
We thank Shanti Ashram and Support at a Distance, Italy.